3, 2, 1, action. You want to put them on?
I have to take off these real quick, but yeah, sure. Put it on.
Whoa! Look at you.
It has that new smell.
That new headset smell. What are those in there?
Hmm?
What else is in there?
Oh, these. Oh.
What are those?
2 touch controllers.
Nice. So you can go like this.
And then in here, it's just your standard cables.
Mmm.
And that's
Fancy.
it. That's it. That's it.
Fancy, you like it?
Yes.
He loves it. Okay, I'm gonna try on his Oculus Quest headset.
HMD.
For the first time.
For the first time. Whoa!
Look up.
Oh my goodness.
That's what I was doing.
That's, whoa, there's something right there. Oh. So is this how you click?
There's
Like a whole like,
World.
what are all these crosses? Or like plus signs?
Oh, that's your guardian, so just pull your hand back in just a little bit more. Oh, no, not like that.
That's so weird, it's floating, but I'm touching it.
Now walk more. You'll be able to see the outside.
Whoa!
You're seeing it.
Whoa! Whoa! That's crazy.
Where can't you see?
She can see everything out here.
Remove headset. Oh, I left boundary. I got in trouble already.
Oh, I'm in your little house.
Yeah.
Ooh, I want a house like this.
It's a
Yeah, that's what we'll do. We'll just virtual reality our own mansion.
It's a winter log cabin.
It's beautiful.
Can you see me?
No.
But Mom, if you
Mom,
walk, you
okay.
can see.
Whoa, there's a... What is that? That's a,
Guardian system.
it's in like a net. I feel like I'm in a... Ooh.
Are you gonna fall?
Neighbors.
You are talking to a lamp. You're like, hi neighbors, and it's the candles.
Oh, I could just sit here and look at the stars.
What the? Hi, turtle. Where am I?
What do you see?
A big squash
Squash?
and a turtle. That squash right there. And you guys see this? There's a big turtle right there. A tiny turtle.
We don't see
Thanks.
anything. We don't see anything.
Let's go. Pump. Ready. Go. Oh. I can already tell you that looks terrifying. La Noche del Demon. Yeah, cool. That sounds so much fun. Ooh, I already hate this. Oh my gosh. Okay, it's fake. It's totally fake, so.
That scared me.
Oh my gosh, that was scary.
What happened?
La Llorona. Oh, I hate already.
Lorona, like, is that the...
Yeah, so I'm in a nursery, it looks like. You guys, I'm like sweating. I'm uncomfortable. Okay, now it's walking. I'm turning the corner. There's someone there too. Where am I?
What's it do?
Yeah, it's riding a bike.
You're not doing body.
You're insane.
Don't touch the bombs. You can't hit the wall. This is why you should just lean